Oh look, the mailman's here. And look what he brought me. It's from Newport Beach. I have been waiting and waiting and waiting for this. This is my Nolan Ryan rookie card. So, I found this card in an abandoned storage unit that I bought at an auction. If you haven't been following along, let me just show a couple of minutes video that show how I acquired this card. Ta-da! Alright, baseball card album. No cards. Sports. Oh, look at that. Kind of gigantic. From the 80s. Two of those. Alright, baseball memorabilia. Christmas stockings. Oh, more baseball. Okay, so we're digging away here. Getting into this sports memorabilia. That's kind of a decent bunch of stuff. There's a Duke Snyder signed ball. There's a bunch of rookie cards. There's two complete sets of tops from 85 and 83. And I just found this. And I looked that up on eBay. Now, if that's a genuine Nolan Ryan rookie card from 1968, it's worth anywhere between $100 to $2,000. But there is a replica floating around out there that looks exactly the same as the original to an untrained eye. Supposedly the replica is glossy. So, I don't know. It's sitting in here with a bunch of other sort of Hall of Fame replica reprints. It's not graded. What are the odds that that's a genuine card from 1968? We're gonna find out. And I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for this. They actually did grade the card, which is a very good thing. That means it's not a reprint, because they wouldn't grade it if it was a reprint. So it's the original card, and the only question now is, what did it grade at? Use this little Swiss Army knife and open it up. There it is, my little lovely. PSA 4 VG. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's nice. That's good. Look at that beauty. The difference between a 3 and a 4 is a little bit of dough. That is excellent. Excellent, excellent. It's a little bit off center. Boy, I wish that had gone 5 or 6, but I'll take a 4. I've been digging my way through trash, junk, and garbage and not making much money, and finally, something pays off. Yes! So what does that mean, PSA 4? Well, PSA is the grading service, and here we are looking at eBay active listings. Here's one with a buy it now for $4.99. Here's one on auction. It's got 22 bids at $3.31 with a day left. So the thing is worth money. It's not retirement money, but for something that I wasn't sure if it was even real, that's not bad. And when you're in the storage auction business, you have to deal with a lot of fakes and reproductions. You get fake handbags, fake iPhones, fake art. With baseball cards, they're not called fakes, they're called reprints. But it was really nice to get something for once that was the real deal. And I still have all the rest of this baseball and football memorabilia. After I post this video, I'm going to try to get this all on eBay. In a couple of days, if you look at my eBay RIC257, this should all be on there if I don't get lazy. But for now, let's wrap this video up. To add up the profit in this situation, the cost on that storage unit was $300. I sold $220 at the swap meet. I think I'll get about $500 out of all the rest of this stuff. And after the other expenses, the gas, the grading was $34. Call it a roughly a $400 profit for 20 hours of work, or $20 an hour. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. From Jens Tobias, author of The Weekend Storage Warrior, Storage Auctions for Fun and Profit. That's my book. It's available on Amazon.com. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.